Cette nuit-là, une lune bleue brillait dans le ciel de Kanesatake. Un phénomène rare, une lune éclatante, parfaite pour convoquer les esprits.
Oh, je said yeah.
Sage Harrington a 10 ans. Son grand frère Nation a 12 ans.
Wonder what's inside that box.
Ensemble, ils forment le duo de chasseurs de fantômes Harrington, et rien ne leur fait peur. Ou presque.
Can I have it?
You're not bringing that home.
Of course, we love this stuff. We love heebie-jeebie stuff.
Gee, there's energy coming off of that.
It's very fun to do it with the whole family.
Yeah.
It's not just fun to do it alone because that's kind of boring and kind of scary to do it alone.
Yeah, it's a family channel for ghost hunting.
Les chasseurs de fantômes ont même leur propre page Facebook.
And in the trail, and there was a girl that got murdered somewhere and like, got dumped here. Their body just got dumped here. Then someone came in the trail, then found the dead body.
Depuis 2016, ils ont eu quelques rencontres avec des morts. Mais en raison de la COVID-19, cette fois, ils chassent près de la maison. Cette maison abandonnée était autrefois la propriété de leur grande-tante Susie. Elle prétend qu'il y a un cimetière sous la maison.
All the time that I was there was always something happening. And it was always at night, and it wasn't just me seeing it. It's some of the men had seen things, like abnormal things. One time my girlfriend came there, and it was during the evening in the summer, and she was walking at the back. And this guy came out of the warehouse and came up to her, and he greeted her, and he kept going. So she kept going, and she turned around, and he wasn't there. And so later on that day, she asked me, she says, who was working in the warehouse? And I said, nobody. She says, I saw a person. I said, there's nobody there.
Les enfants ont donc décidé de vérifier eux-mêmes, précédés par maman et papa.
Did he even knock? Manners, Dad.
À l'intérieur, la maison est remplie d'objets de toutes sortes. Rien n'a été déplacé depuis au moins 10 ans. À l'arrière, il y a une autre maison en ruine. Mais chaque chose en son temps. Premièrement, les outils. Nation est le responsable de l'équipement.
This is like a trail cam, but we even like hunt like houses just to see if what we can't see. Like sometimes cameras can catch what we can't see. A bell. Hang this up, and then we just speak, and if it like there's a real entity here, it'll move it. A thermal laser, when we point it around, and if it like drops dramatically, there's something there. Electromagnetic detector detects energy. Don't think there's any energy in this house at all.
Et le plus récent gadget, une caméra infrarouge.
Just keep on flashing. There's definitely something up there.
Sage s'occupe de la communication. Leur mère Nicole prend des notes. Lorsqu'on invoque les morts, il est toujours préférable de le faire en 2 langues.
Yes.
C'est difficile de ne pas participer.
How many people are with you?
6.
Les fantômes ne peuvent pas vraiment tenir une conversation, mais ces experts disent qu'il est important d'essayer.
To make sure they're comfortable with us, to make sure they understand us.
We're not invading their spaces.
Yeah,
Because sometimes if we do,
they could get mad at us
attach themselves to us.
and follow us all the way back to our house.
C'est la chose la plus importante à retenir, savoir quand partir.
You said, what did you said? Stay here.
We're going.
Back with me.
Après la chasse, il faut toujours faire un post-mortem, façon de parler.
And Sage, did you see anything?
I don't know. Yes, I did.
What did you see?
I saw a figure walking. Well, it could be explained or it can't be explained.
Was there deer?
We don't know.
Quoi qu'il en soit, les enfants ont laissé du tabac sur place et ont dit merci.
And we usually smudge after so we can take all the negative stuff off of us.
Une chose qu'ils ne souhaitent pas voir disparaître, leur série sur le surnaturel. Lindsay Richardson, Nouvelle nationale d'APTN sur le territoire Mohawk de Kanesatake.